In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step, no BS guide to selling ebooks on Instagram. So this can be done for free using an external tool, and I'm going to show you how you can do it in this video. So what you need to do is you need to go ahead and go to Koji. So that's with kojicom. Now this is a platform where you can start selling stuff, including ebooks and consulting and lots of stuff really. But I'm going to show you specifically how you can sell ebooks. So go to Koji. Once you're on Koji, you can click here where it says turn ideas into cash. You can see start selling on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube and more. Turn your ideas into cash. That will then take you to this window where you can then create your free account. So I'm going to sign up with email and I'll show you what you need to do. So click on email, enter in an email and password and then create your account. Okay, so once you've signed up, you then need to complete your seller profile. And what you can do here is you can enter in a username. So I'm going to enter in Bradley BRXD and I'm going to create an example one for my Instagram. Then enter in your first name, last name, and your phone number. And then once you've done that, click submit. Once that's all good, you're going to need to then verify your phone number, which I'm going to do right now. So now I've done that, we can now submit these. And it's now going to ask me to verify, which I'll do in a minute. Now the next step is going to be to connect a bank account so you can receive payments. You can connect Stripe or you can connect PayPal. I'm going to connect PayPal because that's just what I use, but maybe you use Stripe. And you can even connect them both if you want. I'm just going to connect PayPal. And all you need to do is enter in your PayPal, your name and your country. And then you need to go ahead and upload an identity document, which is going to be your passport, which again I'll do now. Okay, so now I've done that, we can now go to dashboard. And now what we can do, we can start to build out our sales page and start selling ebooks. So here's where you'll see how much money you've made when people buy them. Now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and go to your link in bio and view your Koji profile. And right now it's going to be blank. So we can now add Kojis and links to this profile. So if we click on get started, it's then going to open up this window where we can enter in our username, our bio, and we can go ahead and upload an avatar. Now, if you scroll down here, you can go to profile links, and here you'll see sell digital products. It will be under the popular apps, and you just want to go ahead and add it. So click add. It will open this window then, where you can then configure this. And this is very easy stuff here. You choose a style, so choose whatever style you want. So whatever style fits your brand, I'll go with this one. Then we'll click next. And this is going to be your store details. So I'm going to just put here example product, but you can write whatever you want here. And then the description is optional. So then click next. Then I'm going to go ahead and publish this. So once you've published that, you're then going to have your store name, which again is example. And you can then go ahead and just save this. Okay, so now let's click save and see what has updated here. Okay, so now on our Koji, we've got our store. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this. And here is our store. Now, we've got nothing on it at the minute. But what we can do is we can go ahead and edit this. So if you go next, and we can go ahead and add some digital files for sale. So we're now on our store. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and add a digital file. So click on that. And then here is your product. So let's say I'm selling a how to make money online product. Let's say I'm selling a how to make money online ebook. So we'll just enter in the name and the description, and then we'll go ahead and add any relevant images and upload the file. So click add file, then go ahead and find the file. So I'm just uploading an ebook here. I'm going to click open, and there you go. It's now added that. And obviously the name isn't right because this is just an example. Now for payment, we can put $20 or whatever you would like to put as the payment. Then you can go ahead and save this. Now you are going to need one image, so let me just add a filler image for this. I'll just use one of my YouTube thumbnails, but you can go ahead and create an image or you can download one from the internet. But this is just an example, so I'm just going to show you with filler information. Okay, so now we've added that image, we can now click on save. So now we've got our product here, how to make money online ebook. Now if we go to store details, we can change our store again if we wanted to. So I might want to change it to digital products. Then we can go to style and we can also change the style again if we wanted to. Now, if you go to manage and you go to edit profile and you scroll down, you should see the store here. Now, I'm going to uncheck this thumbnail and click save. So now we've got our store and we've got the name here. Again, if you go to manage, edit profile, I can change the link name here to digital products. So now let's imagine that everything's set up. We've got a bio, we've also got a profile picture. Now when people were to click on digital products, it will then open up our store where they can then view the digital products that we've got for sale. So they can click next. And here is our ebook, How to Make Money Online ebook for £20. If they click on that and then buy it, we will then earn £20. Now, what you want to do with this link, you want to go ahead and copy the link to your Koji store. Then if you go to Instagram, you can go to edit profile. So then here in edit profile, you just paste in your profile link here into website. Now you can't currently do this on Instagram on the computer, so you just have to send the link to your phone and then add it on your phone. As long as you've got your Koji link in the website section of Instagram, it will then show on your Instagram profile. So it will just show here. And then if people click on it and buy your products, you're going to then earn money. So that's one way you can sell ebooks on Instagram. I do hope that video helped. Let me know in the comments if you've got any questions.